Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Optiplex 755 is probably one of the most reliable power supplies you can find for your older Dell systems. Today, we're diving deep into this workhorse, exploring its specifications, build quality, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just looking to breathe new life into an old machine, this review will give you the insights you need to make an informed decision about this power supply unit. Number 5. Dell Optiplex 305W Power Supply Replacement. This is a replacement power supply designed for Dell Optiplex MT Mini Tower systems. It provides a reliable power source to keep your system running smoothly. This power supply is compatible with Dell Optiplex 360, 380, 580, 745, 755, 760, 780, and 960 metric tons mini tower models. It's a perfect fit for your system. The power supply is also compatible with part numbers like NH493, MH595, XK215, and P192M. It ensures a seamless replacement experience. It features an AC input of 200-240V and a DC output of up to 305W. This ensures that it delivers the power your system needs. This replacement power supply is designed for easy installation in your Dell Optiplex MT Mini Tower. It's a convenient solution to restore your system's power. What we like. This power supply offers a robust 305W output, ensuring your system gets the power it needs. It's also compatible with a wide range of Dell Optiplex models. If you are looking for a reliable power supply for your Dell Optiplex MT Mini Tower, this is a great choice. What people say. Works as expected. The replacement I received fit fine, but the replacement has a cable with two SATA plugs, black thin plugs, and a cable with two 4-pin Molex plugs, white plugs. Dell Optiplex 760. Would start if you pushed power supply reset button on back. Very easy replacement. Saved buying new computer. Number 4. LXun L280P01280W Power Supply for Dell. This is a brand new, high-quality 280W power supply replacement. Each unit has been tested and is in good condition before shipping. Make sure to check the model number before you buy it. It is compatible with Dell Optiplex GX520, GX620, 740, 745, 755, 210L, 320, and 330. It also works with Dimension C521, 3100C, and the new style GX280. The part numbers include MH595, MH596, RT490, NH429, P9550, U9087, X9072, NC912, and JK930. This makes it easy to find the right fit for your system. The model numbers include L280P00, L280P01, H280P01, H280P00, D280P00, B235PD00, D235PD00, H235PD01, D233N, M618F, and M619F. It is designed to meet your needs. The product comes with a 1-year warranty. If you are not completely satisfied with it for any reason, you can email us for a solution. We are here to help. What we like. This power supply provides a solid 280W of power, perfect for various Dell Optiplex models. It comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you like a reliable product with warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. The power button flashed amber indicating a power supply failure. Ordered this product, popped it in, powered on. Works again. New power supply got my old workstation back in business. The power supply worked perfectly as I hoped it would in my Dell Optiplex 330 desktop computer. Number 3. Ptcliss 305W PSU for Dell Optiplex MT. Is your Dell Optiplex running slow? It might be time to replace the power supply. This Ptcliss 305W PSU is designed to do just that. This power supply is compatible with Optiplex 360, 380, 580, 745, 755, 760, and 780, 960 metric tons mini tower models. It's a perfect fit for your system. It replaces part numbers like NH493, MH595, X8129, and many more. This ensures a seamless replacement process. The power supply offers 305 W of power. It handles input voltages from 100-240 V, making it suitable for various regions. Installing this power supply is straightforward. It's designed to fit perfectly into your Dell Optiplex MT, getting your computer back up and running quickly. What we like. With a 305 W output, this power supply ensures your system runs smoothly. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a hassle-free upgrade, consider this power supply. What people say. Item was just as described. Came fast and installed in my computer. As described, installed it immediately upon receiving it. This said it should fit and it dropped and hooked up correctly and started working. Number 2. YEECHUN L305P01305W power supply for Dell. Are you experiencing power issues with your Dell Optiplex MT? This YEECHUN power supply is designed as a direct replacement. It's a reliable solution to get your system back up and running. This power supply is compatible with Dell Optiplex 360, 380, 580, 745, 755, 760, 780, and 960 metric tons mini tower systems. It's specifically designed for these models, ensuring a perfect fit. It replaces part numbers like L305P01, PS6311-5DF, LF, and many more. This unit offers a 305W output, providing the power your system needs. Built with high-quality, durable materials, this power supply is designed for longevity. Strict quality control ensures it meets or exceeds OEM standards, offering superior performance. Replacing your power supply is quick and easy, taking less than 10 minutes. Simply unplug your system, replace the unit, and you're back in business. You can find helpful videos online. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. If you encounter any issues, contact us for a satisfactory solution. We prioritize our customers and stand by our products. What we like. This power supply delivers a solid 305 W of power, built with high-quality materials for durability. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, offering excellent after-sales support. If you value quality and support, it's a great choice. What people say. The power supply was a perfect fit and worked great. The power supply was exactly what I needed and works perfectly. It was easy to install and has been working great. Number 1. BIYTC 90W AC adapter for Dell Optiplex. This is a BIYTC 90W AC adapter, designed for Dell Optiplex series. It's a reliable power solution for your desktop computer. The adapter is compatible with various Optiplex micro models. It supports a wide range of systems, ensuring it fits your needs. It features an AC input of 100-240V and a 4.5 by 3.0 mm connector. The output is 19.5V with 3.33A or 4.62A, supporting fast charging. The adapter has multiple safety features. These include overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, keeping your device safe. The package includes the AC adapter and an AC power supply cord. Everything you need to power up your device is included. What we like. This AC adapter is designed for Dell Optiplex micro desktops, providing a safe and efficient power solution. It features overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. If you have a micro desktop, this adapter is a perfect fit. What people say. As described. Prompt shipping. Works as it should. Recommend. Fit perfectly for our office PC. Works as it's supposed to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.